welcome back to the Rebeltech channel. Okay, apologies if I haven't been uploading videos for past few weeks. I've been on the road traveling. As you can see, it's quite noisy. Again, I'm doing most of my reviews, whatever tech related, mostly outdoor, because it's a challenge to me. I don't like doing it indoors because that's too safe for me. So yeah, somewhere in Jakarta, Starbucks area, and I'm gonna be unboxing gift sent by Maono. This is way overdue because this was sent before Christmas, but then when it arrived, while I was doing my review, the product was defective. So I reached out to Cherry from Maono, telling her that the product that they sent was indeed defective. So I tried troubleshooting it, but it just wouldn't work. Cherry was kind enough again to resend me, but I think I received it in January, early January or something. So I didn't want an unbox until I start my traveling. So yeah, this is way overdue. I got my wife to repack everything. And by the way, I'm using a Maono wireless mic, also which was sponsored by Maono. Apologies if it's a bit noisy or something. And I'm gonna straight away unbox. It's gonna be very straightforward. So let's check it out. Sorry, the packing is a bit off because we tried to squeeze this inside our travel bag. I think I'm just gonna tear it. Okay, what's inside? Maono. It's a card. I'm gonna read it. Dear Maono's partner, Merry Christmas. As ushers in the new year, we would like to share Maono's happiness with you, and thanks for your attention and company. We have prepared a small gift and hope you can harvest warmth and happiness this winter. 2022 is a year full of surprises for Maono. Till 2022, Maono has entered 153 markets worldwide and is recognized as the global best-selling internet microphone brand. To deliver a pleasant sound experience, we work with over 1,700 audio professionals, influencers and users this year to make the world's best microphones and audio products. By the way, I'm using Maono wireless mic. In the first half of the year, we'll launch Maono Caster E2 podcast equipment bundle that can be used with professional XLR microphones for podcasting and live streaming, and for convenient vlogging, WM821 Tick Mic wireless microphone system with a charging case and multi-function display was introduced. On top of that, we'll listen to our users and integrate our expertise in audio software into our hardware product to provide one-stop solutions for internet content creators with high quality audio needs, which is very important. The PD400X USB XLR dynamic microphone, as the first software and hardware integrated product, received over 500 backers support in August on Kickstarter. The DM30 programmable condenser microphone with Maono Link software won the CES 2023 Innovation Awards for its exceptional performance. We are still progressing and would love to hear your thoughts to help Maono become better. May your days be merry and bright. We prepared a pair of Maono socks to wish you a fruitful new year. The hat with a simple style is suitable for a variety of scenes in all seasons. Finally, the karaoke microphone, although it's not as professional as the equipment used in your content creation online, it is expected to help you have some relaxing singing time with your families and friends on holiday. We expect to see you sharing each moment with Maono through social media. Sincere regards, Alex Liu, founder and CEO, Maono Technology. It's pretty heartfelt. Thank you, Alex Liu and Maono. To be honest, I've never heard of Maono until they reached out to me. I was a bit skeptical. I don't like to don't like to accept reviews just for the sake of reviewing a product and then posting out a video, you know, like telling people to buy when I don't believe in the product. When Maono reached out to me, they sent me the WM20A2. I was blown away with the sound quality. The packaging was great. It's complete for my needs, so I'm using this for my travel videos. Let's go to the head. The Maono head. Okay, so I'm gonna try this on. Okay, all right. Okay, the socks. Probably I'm gonna give this to my baby girl. It's useful for her. She's 6 months old, by the way, so I'm gonna put this on her later on. Okay, this is the microphone. Wireless karaoke microphone MKP 100. So Sherry sent me a white one, which she recommended. Maono MKP 100. Hold on, because I can see. Maono MKP wireless microphone is specially designed for people who love singing karaoke with the careful tuned microphone capsule and premium audio system. Okay, hopefully that's battery juice. Okay, this is should be the cable. Okay, this is quite important. This is what I love to see in all products. This is what you should be keeping in your cabinet, or if you don't have a dry cabinet, desiccant gel, silica gel, whatever, you know. It's very important to keep the product dry, lasts longer. So you have the audio jack, USB-C, Type-C charging, of course, manual. That's about it. Silica gel back in. There you go. I'm gonna power this on. Hopefully there's power.
Karaoke. Anchor.
Hello. Oh. Test 1 2. Test 1 2. Hello, you lovely people of the tube web.
Anchor.
What? Robot. Okay, there's a few sound effects. There's the volume up, volume down. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's settings. And then when you want to change your mode, you press the power button once. Okay, now this is the robot mode. That's 1 2. Welcome to the Rebeltech channel. Okay, that's pretty scary. Okay. Super Echo. Test 1 2. Hey, what's up, guys?
Super Pro.
Yo, you lovely people of the tube web.
Pro. Pop.
What?
Baby.
Baby mode. Test 1 2.
Baby. Default.
Default. Test 1 2. Hey.
Mic volume.
No, mic volume. Test 1 2.
Default. Karaoke.
Karaoke. You're my wonderwall.
Karaoke. Anchor.
Anchor.
Robot. Super Echo. Pro. Pop.
Pop. Test 1 2. You're my wonderwall.
Pop. Baby. Default. Karaoke. Anchor. Robot. Super Echo. Pro. Pop. Baby. default, karaoke, anchor.
Test 1 2, anchor mode. I think I'm gonna be ending this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I would like to send my appreciation to the Maono team, especially Cherry and Alex Lu. You have a great product here, and if I don't believe in the product, I would have just wouldn't wanna accept or reply. I'm very straightforward. I have received so many requests to review products. I have to believe in the product. If it's not good, it's not good, but this is great. I can play this with my baby girl, and of course this socks as well. Thank you so much. It's pretty handy. My baby girl is 6 months old. This is a great birthday present. I turned 39, and yeah, my birthday is in January. Actually, it's just passed a few days ago. I look forward to collaborating with Maono in the future. So Sherry, thank you so much again. Thank you to all the viewers, subscribers for supporting this channel. Also do follow me on TikTok, and I will do random clips as well. Thank you. Alright, peace out. Bye bye.